This will take you into our main menu. You can do a quick brew unit quick rinse. You can do a milk foam system quick rinse. You can also go directly into the service menu. When you go into the service menu, it requires a code, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same as my bank codes, and simply hit confirm. You'll see there's a pre-brewing setting. There's a water hardness setting. So if you have hard water, you can set the water hardness as well. You have your brightness settings to make it brighter, to make it lighter. Your coffee temperature is right here. You can set your coffee temperature for low, middle, or high. Hit confirm, and it's locked in. Your frother hose has two options. Simply as is, or you will notice that there will be two little plastic pieces inside. These are designed so that it will increase the temperature of your milk frothing. So if you want hotter milk, what you'll do is you simply add the little plastic piece inside, just as so. When you're finished, you may also place it directly into the hole for simple storage.